Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to find and fix water leaking inside a Volkswagen, Skoda, Audi, Seat. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So we will use the Volkswagen Golf Mk4. So the first step is to check the rubber seal around your windshield. So to check if you have a leaky windshield, stay in the car and use an air compressor or air nozzle to direct air at the trim around your windshield. If you can see bubbles forming on the outside of the windshield, you have a leak. Or drive your vehicle to an automatic car wash. If you see water dripping inside, you know that you have a problem with your windshield and you have to replace the rubber seal. Check the rubber door seals around the door frame and the perimeter of the door itself. Many times and in older cars, the rubber door seals have cracked with age or that hole has worn through from use. So water can dripping down the inside of the windows when it rains or when you wash your car. So you have to replace the rubber seal with new ones, or you can replace it with ones in good condition from used cars. Check the rubber seal on the door also. Check all the drain holes from the bottom side of the front and rear doors. If you can see, there's a rubber there, and underneath you can see the holes. Water can get into the doors when it rains, but if the drain holes are plugged up with leaves, dirt, water could accumulate in there and then it will reach into your car under the carpet. You can use a flat blade screwdriver or a similar tool to clear the drain holes from the door. Check the seal between the window regulator panel and the door. So to see exactly where is the foam seal, we are going to remove the panel from the door. Now you can see the foam seal that is all around the panel, and you can apply some silicone sealer or all around the panel and then refit the door car back. Check the cowl vent grille from the bottom side of your windshield. If it's broken or the rubber seal is in bad condition, you have to replace it with a new one or used part, but in good condition from the second-hand cars. Then check the pollen filter cover. This is very important. Open the bonnet and remove those 4 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take the rubber seal out. Then take the cover out and see if the pollen filter cover is cracked. So if it's cracked, the water can reach into the car through the filter and down through the fan housing behind the glove box, soaking the passenger footwell. If you can see, ours is in very bad condition and we have to replace it. check the drain holes beneath the cowl vent grille. After you remove the pollen filter cover, you can see a hole on the right side. There's another one on the left side. That hole usually can block with dead leaves or dirt, and you have to unblock it using a flat-blade screwdriver or a similar tool. If your car has a sunroof, check the drain tubes for the sunroof tray. It has 4 drain holes in it, 1 in each corner. Each of those 4 drain holes is connected to a tube that runs through the front pillars and rear pillars and end at the rubber nipple grommet, which is located near to the hinges of the front door. It is common for the nipple to stick closed and not drain the water out of the tube because of the dirt or dead leaves. When this occurs, the water backs up into the sunroof tray and overflows into the car. So you can squeeze the nipples to drain the tubes or cut the end of it. If one of the tubes is clogged, pour some hot soapy water into the sunroof tray to flush each of the tubes out. Do this until the water flows out clearly and easily through the rubber nipple grommet. So there is the rubber nipple grommet, but our car doesn't have the sunroof, so is missing. Now you can see the tubes from the sunroof, the one on the left side, the one on the right side, the one on the back on the right side, so the other one is on the rear left side. So this is the sunroof removed from the car. To understand more easier how the drain system works. So those 4 tubes that runs through the front pillars and rear pillars are blue. So on the rear there's the hole, on the right side and on the left side you can see that hole, and on the front side you can see that hole. Check that hole if the water is reaching through the tube. You can check also the rubber grommet from the doors. The water can reach from that into the car. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.